Hello everyone, my name is Jessica Karpovich. For the past month I have been working on creating Blackjack in JavaScript. Before starting to write any code, I looked up the official rules to decide on which set of rules I would follow. The goal of the game is to be as close as possible to 21 without going bust or exceeding it. Usually there are 2 to 6 players. In my case, the user plays directly against the dealer. All face cards have an equal value of 10. Aces are counted as 11, but if a player is about to go bust, their value is dropped to 1. The dealer can draw until his total reaches or exceeds 17. With these basic rules figured out, I created my project proposal by putting them all together. Then I created a flowchart based on my proposal that outlined how the game would work and when there will be check for winners. So I started off by creating my deck. My deck was an array of JSON objects. Then I created a deck class and a shuffle function for it. And then I created a dealer class with player functionality. Once I had it mostly figured out, I moved that base player functionality into a player class and had the dealer inherit from it and add on to it. I also created a game manager class that put everything together and just controlled the game. My biggest problem was making my calculations for aces be accurate so that aces could be either 1 or 11, especially if in a hand a player had more than one ace. It was also quite difficult to avoid recursion sometimes, but I still figured it out and my game is fully functional the way I want it to work. And here's my game in action. So here is my game. Once the page loads, the user can see a Start Game button, a Hit, and a Stand button. At first, the user can't click Hit or Stand, they can only click Start Game. Once they click Start Game, they are displayed the values of the 2 cards they draw, which is in this case 5 of spades with the value, and Jack of spades with the value, and the total of their hand. They also see the dealer's first card. After that, they have the option to hit or stand. If they choose to hit, they will draw another card. The name will once again be displayed, the total will be updated, and in this case, since the user went over 21, they lost, and shows them that they lost, and since the dealer didn't draw yet, the dealer won, and shows you the full hand and the total. Then after that, you can click Start Game. As you can see, the previous results are cleared. The new hand is displayed, which is the first 2 cards that you draw with the total and the dealer's first card. Once again, you can choose to hit or stand. When you choose to stand, the dealer will draw until he reaches or exceeds 17. So in this case, the dealer drew an ace and originally counted as 11, but then after they drew the jack, and the 7 then counted down, and as you can see, the dealer reached a total of 21 and won. And you can keep playing as you want to, and it shows that the dealer won again. Once again, reached a total of 21. In this case, the user drew an ace. So when you draw an ace, if you hit, you can reach 21, or if you see here, the total is already 20, so that's already pushing it. But if you choose to hit, the ace is lowered to 1, and the total is now less. So that's basically my game. You can play as many times as you want. Thank you for watching.